Are you drowning in digital notes and scattered information? Gemini's latest update transforms it into your ultimate personal AI brain. After this tutorial, you'll be able to consolidate all your information into Gemini, automate daily briefings, and seamlessly transfer your AI history from other platforms, supercharging your personal productivity. The information overload problem. Let's be honest, we've all been there. You have a brilliant idea, a critical piece of information, or an important chat with an AI, but it's scattered across countless apps. Your project notes are in Google Docs, client details in Gmail, research links saved in a Gemini chat, and that crucial insight from last week's AI brainstorming session, it's buried in a different platform's history. Most people struggle immensely to connect these disparate pieces of information, preventing them from building true personal intelligence. Imagine having an AI that not only remembers everything you feed it, but also proactively learns from all your data, connecting the dots and preparing you for your day automatically. That's no longer a dream. It's what Gemini can do for you right now. To tap into this power, you first need to get set up. Make sure you're accessing the latest Gemini app or web interface. Specifically, ensure you're on the April 2026 update, as these features are brand new. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to locate is the Notebooks feature. You'll find it usually in the left-hand navigation pane, clearly labeled Notebooks. Click on it to create your first personal knowledge base. Next, and this is crucial, you need to enable personal intelligence. Navigate to your Gemini settings, usually represented by a gear icon in the top right. Scroll down until you see Personal Intelligence and explicitly opt in. This is where the magic begins. You'll then be prompted to securely connect your Google services, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and Google Calendar. Granting these permissions allows Gemini to access and synthesize information across your digital life, creating a holistic view of your data. Core technique, centralizing knowledge. Now for the core technique, step by step. This is how you start building that centralized knowledge hub. Step 1. Create a new notebook for a specific project or topic. From the Notebook section, click the plus New Notebook button. Let's title this one Q3 Marketing Strategy. Step 2. Pin relevant Gemini chats to your notebook. As you conduct research or brainstorm with Gemini, you'll accumulate valuable chat history. To save these insights into your new notebook, simply hover over the specific Gemini chat you want to save. A context menu, often represented by 3 dots, will appear. Click it and select the Pin to Notebook option. Then choose your Q3 Marketing Strategy notebook. Step 3. Upload PDFs or link Google Drive documents directly into your notebook. This is where you bring in your existing documents. Within your Q3 Marketing Strategy notebook, you'll see an Add Content option. Click it, and you can either upload file for PDFs or local documents, or link from Google Drive to pull in your existing reports, spreadsheets, or presentations. Imagine having your competitor analysis, market research, and past campaign results all in one intelligent place. Step 4. Demonstrate personal intelligence in action. With your services connected, Gemini can now act as your personal assistant. Gemini, give me a briefing for my day's meetings. Watch as Gemini accesses your calendar, pulls up your 10 a.m. Project Alpha Sync and 2 p.m. client onboarding call. It then sifts through your recent Gmail for relevant discussions, maybe highlighting emails from Sarah about budget concerns for Alpha. For the client onboarding, it might pull the client's past purchase history from Drive and summarize key preferences from your last 2 interactions in Gmail. This is a real-time context-aware briefing, generated instantly. Step 5. Seamlessly import chat history from other AI tools. This is the part most people miss. Gemini understands you might have valuable insights locked away in ChatGPT or Claude. To bring them over, go to your main Gemini settings. Under Data and Privacy, you'll find an option for Import Chat History. Click it and follow the simple on-screen instructions to use the dedicated import utility, which securely transfers your past conversations from other platforms into Gemini's evolving knowledge base. Now here's where it gets really good. Let's talk about some advanced tips. Power user trick 1. Use notebooks to conduct deep research. Once you've linked multiple documents, PDFs, and relevant chats into a notebook, you can ask Gemini to synthesize information across all of them. For example, within your Q3 marketing strategy notebook, you could prompt, synthesize key competitive insights from the competitor analysis Q2.pdf and market trends report.doc within this notebook, focusing on strategies for attracting Gen Z. Gemini will then process both documents, providing a unified summary and actionable insights based on all the linked data. This drastically cuts down research time. Power user trick 2. Customize personal intelligence settings. You don't have to settle for default briefings. In the personal intelligence settings, you can customize what data sources Gemini prioritizes for daily briefings or specific tasks. You can tell it to focus more on calendar events than emails for your morning brief, or to always highlight action items from meeting notes in Drive. Fine-tune it to your workflow. Combination with another tool. The true power lies in integration. Imagine you've just finished a deep research session within your Q3 marketing strategy notebook. You've asked Gemini to draft an outline for a new email campaign based on the synthesized data. Now, without leaving Gemini, you can seamlessly transition. Click the Share To icon and select Draft in Gmail. Gemini will pre-populate a new email draft with your AI-generated outline ready for your final polish. It's truly a seamless workflow. Real-world productivity boost. So, what are the real-world results you can expect? Let's take that client meeting example. Instead of scrambling to find notes, emails, and documents, Gemini can generate a detailed AI-powered briefing for your upcoming client meeting. It would summarize all relevant email threads, highlight key points from linked strategy documents, and even suggest questions to ask, all synthesized into a single, concise overview. This isn't just about convenience, it's about significant time and money saved. Users report reducing prep time for meetings and complex research by up to 50%, freeing up hours weekly for higher-level strategic work. You can use these features for project management, academic research, personal organization, content creation, and automating daily tasks like never before. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials. Next time, we'll dive into Gemini's new code generation capabilities for rapid prototyping and development.